years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to the independence, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, many others fought to make India free from the British rule. On this day, we will remember their sacrifice and thank them. After the Independence Day, we got all the fundamental rights. We should feel proud to be a part of India, and let's take a pledge and make it to promise ourselves that is we should help everyone and dedicating ourselves. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.